we can do with the help of this model. Okay. Now, what does the Pythagoras theorem states? The square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, right? Now, if you see here, this is a right triangle. Yes or no? You can see this is a right triangle. This is the longest side. This one is the longest side. This is hypotenuse, and these are the two small sides. Okay. Now, in mensuration, you have done the area of the square. What is the area of the square? Side square. Very good. The area of the square is side square. So along this triangle, if you see, we have made three squares. One is the big one and the other two small one, right? The big one is made along the hypotenuse and the two small ones are made along the other two sides. Now this part is actually the area of the square. So Pythagoras theorem says the square of this is equals to sum of the squares of these two. Now that means whatever sand is here in the big box, that sand is actually the area A square. So that area will be equals to the sum of the areas of the other two. That means this sand which is in this big box will fill the two smaller box equally. See, if I just fill the sand, all this sand has to fill this two equally. It will not be extra also. Okay, indicating, yeah, see. So all the sands from here, they have filled these two boxes, right? Indicating that the area of the square, that is the hypotenuse part, is equals to sum of the areas of the two squares which are drawn along the other two sides. Hence, verifying Pythagoras theorem with the help of this model. Okay, understood? So